Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am gonna decorate my Skinny Classic Weekly, and I don't know, this is like my third or fourth video today and I'm kind of tired. So I did have like a, this was last week, I did have a floral book picked out for today, for this week, but I don't know, I'm not feeling the floral right now. I'm feeling LOL quotes and just being a little bit kind of, I don't know, silly and not, yeah, I got to schedule a colonoscopy, so I'm not real excited about that right now. It's been 5 years since my last one, and there is a history of colon cancer in my family, so I kind of have to, you know. Ugh. Anyway, so that's how I'm feeling right now. Ugh. So I wanted to pick some stickers that kind of reflected that. So and if you noticed, I'm just getting started. I had picked out this black and white washi. I really liked how that in this week's spread, how this was like kind of dark. So I don't know, I just thought this kind of goes with that. And see, I kind of want them to, I'm going to be a little picky here, kind of want it to match, come on, stay there, match a little bit, you know, like the lines. I don't want them to be completely off. So I think, because that's going to bug me if it's like completely off. They're going to be off no matter what, so everything's going to bug me today, I think. You know, you just get in one of those moods. It's like, it's the end of the day. I wanted to get more done than I actually got done, although I got quite a bit done. And I'm kind of caught up, but I'm kind of not. I don't know. I always feel like I'm running behind. And I try to, you know, tell myself, people don't really care that you're showing them the exact week, right? Because this, what I'm about to do, could be any week. It doesn't have to be this week. So, I don't know, whatever. I just like to put pressure on myself to do stuff, and then, all right, enough complaining. I'm sorry. We're using LOL quotes. Hopefully it makes me LOL. I liked these boxes here, so I'm just going to lay some of these down. I've got an appointment the 19th, and I think there were some, were there some appointment? Yeah, there's an appointment box here. Do I want to use that? I don't know. I guess so. All right, Mr. Plant. Let's see. That was the 19th, and then I've got the cleaning lady coming Wednesday. I've got an appointment with my mom on Tuesday. So it's like going to be pretty busy this week. So I'm kind of glad I'm getting all of these done, you know? Okay, let's go ahead and use a couple of these. Since we've got 2 appointments and we've got these stickers, let's use them. I like the pink. Do we want to do a dark? I kind of like this dark color. I don't know. Let's see. Oh no, Wednesday's not the appointment. The appointment is the 19th and the 20th. Do I want both of those there? Not really. So, okay. Let's just use one appointment box. I just don't want another one right under it. Let's see. Where was those other boxes that I liked? It was, oh my God, where are they? Right here. Okay. So, I kind of just want to mix up the colors and just be a little crazy with it all. Yeah, I'm not liking that. You know why? Because the writing's in white, and the writing on this one is dark, and that just doesn't work for me. So we're putting this one back to use at a later date if it'll stick. Okay, so let's just go with these. I like these. And we're going with the ones that are, oh, look at that. Some of those have white writing. You know what? I can go over that with my black, even though I probably won't. Whatever. This is a whatever spread. I am just going to lay the boxes down however I want. Let's just do that. Okay, look, it kind of worked out. 2 blacks, 2 whites. So let's do that again. But, oh no, we can't. So this needs to be 2 blacks. That's not going to work either, is it? I don't really like that one right there. We've already used that color. So let's go ahead and use the green. The green. Do I want it here? Yeah, let's do it here. And then we'll do this pink here. And then we'll do, what color? Kind of like this dark one, but I'm thinking I just want to use this one. Okay, that looks good. So, again, this one's just going to be like a what the heck type thing, because that's how I'm feeling right now. I had thought about using these little things, these little guys, and putting them all down the middle, but maybe I'll have them going all across the top, you know? And I did have this washi too, because I think it kind of needs it. I like that. That looks cute. But I think I'm not going to go all the way to this washi here. I'm going to stop it at that line right there, so that it's just a little bit like this. All right, I'm going to do that on all of them, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I added the washi. I like it already. I could easily just say, you know what, this spread is done. But there's some cute stuff in here, so I do kind of want to add a little bit of this, these words in here. So let's see. The 19th, I have to go all the way to Gulf Breeze, which is kind of far away from my house. So if I could skip today, I would skip today. This day, I gotta take my mom to a dermatologist, and we usually go shopping whenever we go out together, especially when we go to Pensacola, because there's, you know, like Michael's, Joanne, Hobby Lobby, all of those are out there. And oh, come on, sticker. And really, so all of those are out there. We usually, you know, go to lunch, and we usually go shopping, although we do try to not have no spend days sometimes. Okay, so then Wednesday, guess what? The cleaning lady comes, and I usually clean also that day. She cleans my bathrooms. I clean everything else. So, which one do I want to put there? I think I want to do a UGG, because that's how I feel on Wednesday mornings when it's cleaning day. I feel like, ugh, I gotta go clean, right? Ugh. Thursday, what do I have Thursday? Oh, you know what? Thursday, usually, my kids are at school, my husband goes into the office, so I usually get a lot done that day, and it's usually a good day. So I'm in here kind of all by myself, and you know, I don't get interrupted. So let's see, what day? What do I want to put that day? Good try, but maybe put first coffee. You totally got this. You know what? I'm going to put heck yes. Heck yes. I have the house to myself. right? You ever feel like that? Heck yes. Nobody's home. All right, so then Thursday, oh no, I'm sorry, Friday. I think there is a, thank God it's Friday. Yes. Let's do a TGIF. Because we all like Friday. And then Saturday, hello weekend. How's that? Yes. Saturday. I'm going to cut this because it's too big. Saturday is going to be hello weekend. And then Sunday, let's see. Sunday can be lazy weekend. I don't think we've got any plans this weekend. So let's make this a lazy weekend. Hopefully it'll be a lazy weekend and we won't have to do a whole lot. Lazy weekend. All right. So I need something down here. See, I'm already feeling better after using these stickers. Let's see. Adulted like a boss. I like that. Let's use that because there's going to be a lot of adulting going on next week. That's funny. Okay. I make myself laugh. So, I thought about these. Let's see if we can use these. This is Skip Today. Kind of, let's see, do they even fit? I don't want to have to white everything out, but let's just do like this. Skip Today. And this one's a fun day because we go shopping. So let's use this one. Fun day. Oh, a little too far over. And I'm sorry, I don't remember where that's from. This is like, oh, I don't even know. All right, ugh. Definitely this face right here for cleaning day. I do not enjoy cleaning day. Heck yes. Let's see, which one's a happy day? This one is a very happy day. I'm loving this spread, you guys. Okay, TGIF. Yes. Let's use this one because we love Fridays. All right, hello weekend. Could use this one. Which one? I don't know if her sunglasses match though. So we've got, that's that one, this one. I guess this one's fine. Because we don't have a whole lot of space anyway. Hello weekend. And then lazy weekend. Let's just laugh at lazy weekend because sometimes our weekends are not very lazy. Okay. I am loving this. So let's see. Is there something we want to write at the bottom? This is the best ever. Put on your positive pants. That's what I need to do. I need to move adulted like a boss. Because I do need to put on my positive pants. Right now. I'm not feeling very positive. Although I feel much better after making this right, you guys. This is too cute. Put on your positive pants. Love it, love it, love it. And let's see, what else do we want to add? Kind of feel like I need something up here. Let's see, what do we got? Let's see. You got this. Find the rainbow. Love your selfie. All right. I'm going to put something here. I like this green one. And I like this blue one. No, I like it, but I don't think that's the right color. Let's do this pink, maybe. There, that looks good. All right, so let's see if there's like a cute February I can do. Green. I kind of like it. I think it's okay because we've got this green here, and it just kind of dress it up a little bit because that February is very boring. Let's do it. I'm so glad I switched from those florals. This will be fun to look at. Look how cute that looks. All right, I think it's done. I'm just not even gonna overdo it this time. Or am I? Do I need something else up here? Maybe in green? Maybe not. You know what? I know what I'm going to put up there. There is this one here. February, there's blah, 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 blah. Vacay mode. Which color do you think would look the best up there? I'm thinking, what are these? Kind of like the blah, blah, blah one. Or, oh my God. This one says a bunch of stuff. Just like that. I like it. But let's see. I'm going to white this out. And then I'm going to cut it at the oh my God. Which oh my God was it? What did I say? Right there. I'm gonna cut it right there. And I'm gonna put it right across here. And then I'm gonna put this one here. All right, this one's done. You know what? I'm calling it good. Let me get my punch. And we will see how it looks. Oh, you know what? I always try to punch them two at a time and it never works. I need to learn my lesson. That one at a time is the way to go. And you would think, because these are pretty expensive, these hole punch, you would think it'd be capable of doing more than one paper at a time. I guess it's when it's got the stickers on it that it, you know, doesn't work. All right, you guys. I love this. Fits my mood perfectly. And I think it's going to be so fun to look at all week. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. See you in the next video. Bye.